Did you know that a lot of air fryers on the market contain hidden chemicals that could put your health at risk? In today's world, where companies often put profit before safety, finding the right non-toxic air fryer isn't just a nice idea, it's a must. In this video, I'm breaking down the best non-toxic air fryers for US home. These models are safer, built to last, and could totally change the way you cook. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share one key detail that most people overlook when shopping, and trust me, it could save both your health and your wallet. Chapters are listed in the description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us keep creating more content like this for you. Here's what you need to know before you buy. Start with the basket material. Many cheaper models use Teflon or PTFE coatings, which can chip or release toxins at high heat. Safer options include ceramic-coated baskets, stainless steel interiors, or BPA-free non-stick designs built to handle regular use. Size matters too. For most US families, a 4 to 6 quart capacity is ideal. It gives you plenty of room for wings, veggies, or even a small roast without overcrowding. And don't forget about power. Look for at least 1,500 watts so you get fast, even cooking and that crispy finish everyone loves. A digital control panel with presets is super convenient, but don't forget, manual temperature and timer controls are just as important. Flexibility is key when you're cooking different meals. Cleaning is another big one. Look for dishwasher-safe baskets and trays. Trust me, that'll save you a ton of time. Also, think about noise levels. The better quality air fryers run much quieter, even when they're cranked up to full heat. And finally, check out the brand's reputation and warranty here in the US. Since many of us use our air fryers almost every day, a company with reliable customer service and replacement parts can really make a difference. With that in mind, let's dive into 5 of the best non-toxic air fryers you can grab right now on Amazon. The links are in the description. Number 5, NutriChef 5.8 quart air fryer is all about precision and everyday convenience. It comes with 8 preset modes for shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, chicken, and even a defrost option, making meal prep quick and easy. But you're not stuck with just presets. You can adjust the temperature up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for up to 60 minutes, giving you full control over how crispy or tender you want your food. Powered by a 1,200 watt heating element, it heats up fast and cooks evenly. The 5.8 quart capacity is perfect for family-style portions or multiple servings, while the 360 degrees hot air circulation helps food cook faster with less oil. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray. Safety-wise, it includes automatic shut-off and overheat protection, so you can cook with confidence. The LED touchscreen and see-through window make it easy to monitor your food without stopping the cycle. Customers love that it's the perfect size for 1 to 2 people, big enough for 2 salmon fillets or a batch of wings. The glass basket gets high marks for being sturdier and safer than plastic, though some say it feels a bit heavy to handle. Overall, users appreciate its sleek stainless steel design, compact footprint, and user-friendly controls. If you're looking for a reliable, compact fryer that balances power with convenience, the NutriChef 5.8 quart is a solid pick for smaller households or anyone wanting healthier, crispy meals without the fuss. Number 4, the Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer blends sleek design with everyday practicality, making it a smart fit for modern kitchens. Its slim, space-saving build frees up valuable counter space while still offering plenty of room for generous portion. The XL basket holds up to 3.3 pounds of food, letting you cook family-sized batches of fries, chicken, salmon, or even 2 slices of pizza in one go. Built with Evergood ceramic non-stick coating, this air fryer ensures quick cleanup without harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium. The surface is easy to wipe and dishwasher safe, making post-meal maintenance simple. Equipped with 1,300 watts of power and circular heat technology, it cooks quickly and evenly, while digital controls with 6 presets air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate make preparing meals straightforward and efficient. Aesthetically, the air fryer stands out with rounded corners, a soft matte finish, and subtle fluting, offering a stylish touch that complements both classic and modern kitchen decor. Customers highlight its compact size, which is perfect for smaller kitchens, while still appreciating the roomy capacity. They find it easy to use, quick to clean, and efficient, one noting it even works without preheating. The soft pink color option receives praise for its charming look, adding personality to practicality. If you're looking for a compact yet roomy air fryer that balances style, safety, and everyday function, the Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer is a strong choice for small households or anyone wanting healthier meals with ease. Want to know the latest prices? Just head to the links in the description. Number 3, the Cosori 9-in-1 Air Fryer is built for crisp, flavorful results with a touch of innovation. Powered by TurboBlaze technology, its 3,600 RPM fan and heat range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit deliver fast, even cooking that turns out beyond crispy chicken, juicy steak, or golden fries in less time. With 5 adjustable fan speeds and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control, every dish comes out evenly cooked with the right texture. Its 6-quart square basket provides ample space for family meals while keeping the footprint compact, making it a smart fit for busy kitchens. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, durable, and dishwasher safe, ensuring a safe, easy cleanup without harmful chemicals. Designed for convenience, the fryer operates at less than 53 dB, meaning you can cook in a whisper-quiet kitchen even on high settings. The preheat function adds flexibility. Choose to preheat for optimal crispness or skip for quick, hassle-free cooking. With 360 degrees hot air circulation, meals are cooked evenly using up to 95% less oil, giving you the indulgence of fried food with a healthier twist. Customers appreciate its simple settings, noting how it cooks evenly and cuts cooking time in half. Many find it spacious enough for single households while powerful enough to replace a microwave for reheating and quick meals. Cleanup is praised as effortless thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. Complete with a chef-created recipe book and cooking charts, the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer is a versatile, user-friendly upgrade for faster, healthier, and more enjoyable home cooking. You also get a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. For the latest prices, do check the links in the description. Number 2, the Cuisinart 6-quart air fryer is built for families who want crisp, golden results without the hassle of traditional frying. With its spacious 6-quart basket, it can handle a 4 pounds chicken, 3 pounds of wings, 2 pounds of fries, or even an 8-inch cake pan, making it a versatile choice for everyday meals and gatherings alike. Offering 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, this fryer is more than just an air fryer. Whether you're crisping fries, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, it adapts to your kitchen routine with ease. The 5 built-in air fry presets: fries, wings, vegetables, frozen snacks, leftovers, make quick meals practically effortless. Powered by 1800 watts, it heats fast and cooks evenly, with an adjustable temperature range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital touchscreen makes it easy to set, while the toss reminder ensures perfect crisping by alerting you when to flip food. A large viewing window means you can check progress without opening the basket and losing heat. Customers highlight its strong performance as an oil-free fryer substitute, noting how well it crisps food while staying remarkably quiet. Its quick preheating and cooking times are especially appreciated on busy days. Many find it the perfect size for families of 2 to 3, and cleanup is simple. Several note the basket is dishwasher safe and easy to maintain, especially with parchment liner. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, so you can buy with confidence. For those seeking convenience, versatility, and reliable results, the Cuisinart 6-quart air fryer delivers a seamless upgrade to everyday cooking. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. Number 1, the Ninja Crispy Air Fryer combines powerful air frying performance with compact, space-saving design, making it a versatile tool for modern kitchens. This all-in-one system includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod, a 4-quart clean crisp glass container for family meals, a 6-cup container for personal portions, plus leak-proof snap-lock lids for storage. With its unique container adapter, the Power Pod works seamlessly on both sizes, letting you cook anywhere from single servings to a full 4-pound chicken with veggies. Designed with 4-in-1 functionality, max crisp, bake, air fry, and recrisp, this appliance takes you from cooking to reheating with ease. The recrisp function is especially popular among customers for reviving leftovers, making day-old pizza taste oven-fresh again. Built from non-toxic clean crisp glassware, the containers double as safe cookware and storage, reducing the need for extra dishes. They're dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup, and the entire system nests together neatly for clutter-free storage. With permanently fixed heat-safe feet, you can set the Power Pod on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, or marble surfaces without worry. Customers highlight its excellent build quality, simple operation, and compact footprint, noting it's perfect for couples or small households. They love the cooking speed, personal meals in as little as 7 minutes, and the way it delivers consistently crisp results. For anyone wanting an air fryer that doubles as a cookware and storage solution, the Ninja Crispy offers a clever, compact, and highly functional upgrade to everyday cooking. Check the links below for the latest Amazon deals. I hope this video helped you find the best air fryer for your kitchen. Watch our next video on the best food processors. They'll save you tons of prep time